Looking to automate your short-term rental business in 2025? Today we are comparing Boldtrail and Lofty, two of the hottest property management solutions this year. Which one is right for you? Let's break it down. Fast, clear, and to the point. What they are. First up, what are these platforms? Boldtrail is a newer all-in-one vacation rental management platform known for its clean user interface, robust automation tools, and strong focus on direct booking. Lofty, on the other hand, is a more established platform offering dynamic pricing, AI-based messaging, and channel management, popular among hosts scaling their operations. Both are cloud-based, mobile-friendly, and made for Airbnb, VRBO, and Booking.com hosts. Key features comparison. Now let's talk about the features. Number one, automation feature. Boldtrail shines with its intuitive automation flows, auto messages, smart lock integrations, and custom triggers. Lofty uses AI to craft guest responses and adjust pricing dynamically with strong analytics. Channel management. Both sync across Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, and direct sites. Lofty has more mature channel APIs, while Boldtrail is catching up fast. Direct bookings. Boldtrail offers a free customizable booking site with 0% commission. Lofty also provides direct booking tools, but with slightly more limitations unless you are on a premium plan. Mobile app. Boldtrail's app is fast and minimal. Lofty's app has more features, but can feel cluttered for new users. Pricing and support. Let's talk about money. Pricing. Boldtrail offers simple per property pricing starting around $15 per property per month. No contracts, all features are included. Lofty uses tiered pricing starting around $25 per property per month, with advanced tools locked behind higher tiers. Customer support. Boldtrail is known for fast, personal support, even for free trials. Lofty has live chat and documentation, but responses time can vary. So if support speed matters to you, Boldtrail might edge out here. Who should use which? Here's the bottom line. Choose Boldtrail if you are a solo host or a small team, if you value simplicity, automation, and great support, and choose Boldtrail if you want affordable, modern tools with a strong direct booking focus. And choose Lofty if you manage more than 5 properties and rely on deep analytics. Choose Lofty if you need advanced pricing tools, and go for Lofty if you are comfortable with a steeper learning curve. So, Boldtrail or Lofty, both are solid, but your best bet depends on your skill and style of hosting. Drop a comment if you have tried either, and hit the like button if you find this comparison helpful. And that's all about this comparison, and see you in a new video.